Good day, YouTubers, back again with another motorcycle video. Alright, today we're going to talk about a short but important video. This guy is called the strobe controller, and it's for LED stoplight. If you have a incandescent stoplight, I would recommend trying to find one specifically for your bike's brake light choice. Alright, it's a $5 modification that could potentially save your life. If you've ever seen an ambulance coming to a stop and the brake lights are flashing, it's basically going to do that same thing but for your motorcycle. I'll give you guys an example, but it's super duper bright out here today and you're not really going to see it, so I'm probably going to continue this video later on today when the sun goes down, and just kind of match them together or something, I don't know. But just to go over quickly, it's $5, takes 5 minutes to install. Let's quickly go over that and then I'm going to get out your hair. So just locate your brake light wire. It's going to be 3 wires. One is going to be a brown ground. One is going to be your constant signal wire for your tail light, and most likely the multicolored one is going to be your signal wire coming from the brake lights. All you have to do is cut the signal wire in half and put the 2 red wires in between the signal wire coming from the brake light, coming from the bike. Let me go over that again. So put one end, this end, hook it to the side, going towards the brake light. Put this end, hook it towards the side, coming from the motorcycle. And then don't chop into the ground wire. You don't have to do that. All you have to do is just tie the 2 grounds together and then just ground it to the bike. The Super Duke has like spare grounds on the bottom, so I'll just tap into one of those, but you can find any ground that's on your bike. Again, tie these 2 together and then ground them to the bike. No need to snip another wire, and modification is finito. All right, so hopefully you guys find this video helpful, and hopefully it can save your life. I've had no instances that I can recall where it looked like someone was about to rear me because they weren't paying attention, and I have to give all the credit to this guy right here. All right, right to it, guys. All right, guys, as promised, so here's a preview of what the strobe controller looks like at night. Go ahead and press it. So it's definitely going to get someone's attention if they're coming up behind you for sure. So there you go. All right, guys, ride safe.